Hello students, as you know we are continuing with the chapter number 12. So today we are going to solve the sums from the exercise Let's Do Ourselves 12.2. But before we start that, let me tell you that these are your homeworks, those I have given from Let's Do Ourselves 12.1. So although you will get these sums in your material when I shall upload them, but still these are your homeworks. Okay. Acha. So let us start solving this sum from Let's Do Ourselves 12.2. So you can see you have to find out the square of the given expression x minus 5 using this formula. Okay, so this is very simple sum. So you have to find out x minus 5 whole square. As you can see, this is already in the form of a minus b whole square. So therefore for this sum x will be treated as a and 5 will be treated as b. So therefore you can write x square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. As you know, we are going to mention the formula within the third bracket. Now this should give you x square minus 2 into 5 gives you 10 into x plus 5 square gives you 25. So therefore the answer is x square minus 10x plus 25. I hope this is clear. Now the sum that we are doing is question number 4, which says you have to find out the square of x plus y. So you have to find out x plus y whole square. Now you can observe that the problem is given in which the expression looks like somewhat a plus b whole square, but you are not permitted to use that formula of a plus b whole square. So therefore what can we do? We can write this expression like x minus of minus y whole square. Now you can see that this x becomes a and minus y becomes b. So for your convenience you can write let a is equal to x, b is equal to minus y. So therefore a minus b whole square. From here you are getting a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see that since I am writing this thing in the expression of the formula itself, therefore I am not going to mention the formula sideways. Okay. So in place of writing a, you can write x now. So that will give you x square in here. Now for this 2ab part, write 2 into x into, since you have got a minus sign over here, be careful and write it within the first brackets. Whenever there arrives a minus sign over there, a minus sign appears in the expression, you should be careful, cautious, so that you do not make any mistake. Now from here you are getting x square. Now this minus sign will be made positive due to this minus sign, so you are getting plus 2 into x into y, and from here you are getting y square. Therefore the answer is x square plus 2xy plus y square. I think that this is the answer that you usually expect if you apply the formula of a plus b whole square, right? Now we are going to solve this sum 4m plus 2 whole square. Okay. Now as you can see that this is again given in the form of a plus b whole square, so you have to change it and write it instead 4m minus of minus 2 whole square, right? So let a is equal to 4m, b is equal to minus 2, so therefore this becomes a minus b whole square, which is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of writing a, we can write, in place of writing a, we can write 4m. So over here you are getting 2 into 4m into minus 2, and from here you are getting minus 2 square, so you are getting 16m square. From this multiplication you are getting minus minus plus. From this multiplication you are getting 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16m plus, from here you are getting 4. So that is the answer for this problem. That's all for this video. Thank you.